What's up, everybody? We're using for the first time floor mats, doing some work on the Lexus. We got some new hood struts. This trash, it's taped all the way around, and this just broke also. We're trying to see if we can make this work. We finished with the Lexus. Now we're working with the Tahoe. It is actually the first time really using the mats. Floor jack rolls amazing, works amazing. It doesn't sink. And the strut towers, I'm a little worried that they will put a hole. I think that they will at some point. But it is working. So far we're replacing the struts. We're using KYB, but those look very small. I need to upgrade those at some point. I also did some trimming. So now the tire won't rub. Alright, got the shock in. It's a 15mm, 21 bolt, 21 nut. And now we're gonna cut a little bit of here. Right here is where the tire's rubbing. We're gonna also cut a little bit from here. This is where the tire's rubbing too. And yeah, well, there's nothing we're gonna do about this, but at least this one for sure. Oh well, this one did put a hole in it.